Please, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Mitish Chitnavis, Chief Technology Officer of iValue. And we also have Ms. Neha Mishra from DSAI, please, to come up on stage. The report delves into critical areas such as emerging cyber threats, India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023, and pragmatic compliance strategies. So if you can just go on and make an official launch, Vinayak sir and Mr. Mitish, do the honors. Thank you so much. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
We can mix everything. I think it's wait on. Got it.
Thank you all for the launching of the report. I would request if you can just have the QR code, please, on the AD. So, yes, thank you so much. So, please, I would request all the audience members to scan the QR code if you haven't done already. That's on the screen to download the report. It's also available on the DSAI website. Also now request Mr. Mitish to, from iValue, will be sharing some insights of the report. All over to you, sir.
Good morning. Morning, everyone. So, thank you for being here. My name is Mitish. I'm Mitish Chitnavis, CTO for iValue. Just a quick intro of iValue. We are a cybersecurity value-added distribution. We work with almost all partners and as well as customers. The idea that we thought privacy is important considering the DPDPA Act that is coming in. And we said Indian businesses need to know, in partnership with DSAI, that how can we comply to the Act, as well as how can we start managing privacy better. Privacy is right of every individual sitting here, whether you are working for an organization where you are developing a software, wherever you are, privacy is important. But if you go 25 years back, privacy was absolute luxury, right? And the best part of that was there was CNN, there was BBC, but also there was something called as NNN. And NNN used to be Neighborhood News Network. Right? So at that point in time, NNN was super active. And whatever, if we are anywhere, we are within the system, we are within the complex, wherever we stay, that NNN was super active. My mom would know firsthand where I would be, okay? Before even I would know where I was supposed to be, right? So that's where privacy was luxury. But considering the data that we have and we manage today, privacy is absolutely important. It has come a long way. We all understand privacy. Still, there is a lot of awareness that is needed, and we all still continue to use a single login. For example, we try and log into a website which always has they say login with Google, login with Facebook, login with Apple, and so on and so forth, right? But we are actually logging into a food delivery app, and now we end up sharing that data cross-border, everywhere, right? And that data belongs to us. Do we have we given the consent to do that? It's an automated consent, right? So consent becomes absolutely critical. So coming where we were 25 years back, and now we're looking at privacy as absolutely important. Privacy by design is going to be a key mantra for everybody who is developing and managing data. And that's where GDPR, DPDPA, all those privacy acts that are coming in today, they are all driving towards individual data, and can that individual regulate that data for us, for whichever service he is opting for. That's where this white paper actually talks about how can you comply, because a lot of organizations deal with data, where that data sits, where that data is shared, where that data is located. It all becomes absolutely critical here. And mind you that when this act gets enacted, there are a lot of penalties as well. So it's important when we look at data and how we are sharing data with the consent of the individual. Can he say, I don't want this data anymore with you, and so on and so forth. So those things are going to be absolutely critical. Identifying data, classifying data, protecting that data, implementing all the cybersecurity controls around that data is going to be absolutely essential for all of us. And that's what actually this white paper talks about. So I'm not going to take much time, but I would request you to go through this paper. It will at least give you some guidance wherever it is needed, and it will help you in. And if you have any queries, concerns, and so on and so forth, please do write to us, and we will help you in clarifying those doubts on the act and what's coming up. So you can write to DSCI. We are partnered with DSCI, and we can always work together to actually support you guys. So with that, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. And enjoy the evening.